guys, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty Desire. So today I'm here with one more new video, and this video is quite interesting, and so let's, without any ado, let's start this video. So yeah, today's video is all about my goodies that I bought from Singapore. Yay! So yeah guys, I purchased so many things for my lovely home, so that I want to tell you guys, I want to show you guys what things I have purchased from there. So first product I want to show you is this. Actually these are all the souvenirs, Singapore souvenirs, so I just want to show you. So yeah, this is the thing. This is the lion. As you can see, the lion icon of the Singapore, and it also has a thermometer kind of thing that shows the climate, temperature or room temperature thingy. So yeah, this is the thing. Let's open it. So ta-da! So yeah, it looks like this. Yeah, so it is pretty much beautiful, and I just love it to show it in my display unit. So yeah, this is the lion from Singapore icon. So yeah, this is the thing from Singapore. And secondly, I bought one souvenir from Malaysia also. So I want to show you the Malaysia souvenir also. So this is the souvenir from Malaysia. Actually it is from Kuala Lumpur. So these are the twin towers. Let me open it for you. So these are the twin towers. As you can see, Malaysia is written over here, twin towers are written over here. Actually these are the signs of Petronas towers. So yeah, this is a cute little thing. This is also this is actually made up of all stainless steel. So this is also of stainless steel. As you can see, the color is silver, a little bit of dark silver that I like the most, because the actual silver color I do not like that color. So I picked up this little bit of dark silver. So yeah, this is my second second souvenir from Malaysia. So yeah, this is the second thing. Then what I bought are these little cuties. So these are the bells. As you can see, 1, 2 and 3 bells, and these are the feng shui bells, and that are meant for happiness and peace in your home. So I bought these bells, and these are very beautiful colors. It has got this is of blue color, as you can see, and this is of purple, and this is of somehow crimson green color. So these are the 3 bells, cute little bells, as you can see, and these are meant for happiness. So yeah guys, and next thing I bought from there are these cute little lions. These are the souvenirs of Singapore, as I love these cute little lions, because it catched my eyes. I couldn't resist this thing, so I just bought these cute 2 little lions. I bought this what is this? Yeah, this is the keychain. This is the keychain for my car, so I bought this also for my car. How can I forget my car? So yeah, these were the things that I bought from there. These were the souvenirs. Now let's get into the room decor things. So first of all, what I bought from there is this flower vase. As you can see, this is the Malaysian flower vase, and this is somehow ringgit, because Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, their ringgits prevail. So this is the flower vase, beautiful flower vase, as you can see. So I just bought these cute flowers for my room, as in my bedroom I have purple kind of theme. So I just bought these flowers, and these are so good, as you can see, and these are made up of very good fiber. So it it came very costly, but I just liked the thing, so I just picked it up. So yeah, these are the flowers. As you can see, some flowers are there also. They are of white color. I like white flowers in my room because it gives you some freshness. So yeah, I like these flowers so much, and I can pair it up with these thing also, as I am thinking to fill it up with certain things, as I am looking for those balls. What do we call that ball? Yeah, I am thinking to fill it with the Orbeez. So I have just ordered the Orbeez through online, so it will be coming in 2 or 3 days to me, and then I will keep it overnight and then fill it with the Orbeez, colorful Orbeez. So yeah, coming to my another thing, so I just bought this thing. This is the cute little dolly, and it has one basket over here. The tag is not removed yet. So yeah, this is the basket, as I if I want to keep any makeup item in this, I can also keep the thing in this, or some letter envelope. So yeah, this is the cute little Barbie. So the next thing I bought is this. So this is the thing that is for my window. So I just bought it for my window. Actually, I have one slab kind of thing around my window, so I will be keeping this thing to my window. Yeah guys, next thing that I bought is this flower vase. As you can see, this is a very cute and little flower pot. Actually it is made up of that Chinese unbreakable item. So I just picked it up because it has very red and white theme going on in it, and some spirals over here you can see. So I will actually I am not thinking to put any flower in this, because it will look good like this only. Actually, I just want to keep this pencil. I also bought from Singapore. As you can see, here one horse. Yes, this is the horse, or I don't know, this is a cow. So yeah, it is the cow over there. So it jingle like this. So I will keep this pencil into this. It will go like this. Or I have bought this pen also, like, so you can see the lawyer, or I just found it so cute, so I just couldn't resist myself for purchasing it. So yeah, I just purchased its pen. This is its cap. It goes like this, so I can also keep it in this flower pot like so. Yeah, so it will go like this, and I will keep this around my red little diary, in which I just schedule all my YouTube videos. So yeah. So yeah guys, last thing but not the least, so I bought this thing. So cute little teddy bear, yellow and pink theme is going on here. So I just love the bow over here, and you can see one kiss sign over here. So I found it very cute, and I couldn't stretch my hands, so I just purchased it guys. And it has this little book in his hand, and it is something written in Chinese. I do not know Chinese, so yeah, it is something in Chinese written over here. And actually it is the piggy bank. As you can see, you can keep all your coins in it. So yeah, this is another thing that I bought from Singapore. So yeah, these were all my items that I bought for my home, for my lovely sweet home, to make it much more sweeter. So yeah guys, hope you like this video and enjoyed this video also. So yeah, bye, see ya, take care, subscribe to my